Gold and silver started off the day on a slight bearish note. But this is what we had seen for the last couple of weeks. Gold has started on a bearish note but has always posted a greater recovery throughout the week. Can we expect a recovery here in metals again this week, or the trend is going to reverse and we should wait for a drop? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Firstly, gold on the hourly charts, you can see for the last trading session, we had seen a greater resistance available on the upside. 3400 prices failed to stay bullish. And then on the downside also, we had seen gold taking support from 3380 levels. Yes, we have seen a complete range bound movement towards the last trading session and it is closed at the top. But what has happened since then? See, after finding it difficult to break on the upside, we have seen now a breakdown here. However, now remember the movement was outside Bollinger Bands. It is trying to get the prices within the bands here. The moving averages have started to converge, though not yet crossed over. Also notice, see, prices are still trading in this bullish channel. It has to come out of this channel, and for this to confirm, now gold need to trade below 33.5860, the critical support zone, below which even if it trades below 33.5860, the next supports are very nearby towards 33.50 levels and 33.40. Once gold trades below 33.40, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Notice what's happening. I do see this as after this drop it is retraced, and now after retracement it is trying to take a direction. This direction could be strong enough, and this will nullify. Remember, this will nullify if you see now gold breaking beyond 3400 and 3412 levels. See, the stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with bearishness. The RSI has dropped as well. So signs are still bearish here. Look at 2-hour charts. What has happened on the 2-hour charts? Consolidation here, and after the consolidation we have seen a breakout. Now I'll wait for the next candle. Once with the next candle, if you see now gold trading below 33.6870 zone, you can expect more bearishness here. If you see the moving averages, these are trading divergent, these are staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is also traded bearish, and the RSI has dropped. So signs are slightly bearish here, but yes, I can see the supports coming in out strong on the downside. Once the support levels are taken, definitely the bearish momentum is going to increase. Now see on the 3-hour charts what's happening. 3380 was the support towards the last trading session. It has dropped below this support zone, trying to get back into the zone. Now if you see gold trading beyond 3384.85, you can buy again. Expect 3390.92, 3400, 3402, and if these two levels are taken, possibility of 3410.12 will increase. Beyond this, if it trades beyond 3410.12 any point of time today or in this week, we can stay bullish. Possibly gold might head towards 3430, 3440 zone, the next target levels here. Right now I can see the up move, because look at the resistance. Definitely stronger resistances are available on the upside, so it is going to be difficult for gold to break this zone. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is traded with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Look at 4-hour charts. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Trading below 20 period here, and it has just kissed the 50 period. I'll just wait for gold to trade below 33.5860 zone, which will confirm further downside here. Look at the move here, drop, then the rise. Now it is trading sideways. It could still break out, but I do see this as a lower highs and possible lower lows could be seen here, which means a move towards 3250 has to be there soon. But let it break below the support levels in order to confirm for further downside. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading divergent. Look at the MACD. After forming double bottom, we have seen it moving towards the highs and now looking downwards, which confirms more bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? If you see the last trading session and last to last trading session, you can find out a stronger candle here. Then there was a reversal sign towards the last trading session, and today it has started off on a bearish note. Now notice the 20 period is sitting at 3360, and that is why it is very important for gold to trade below 3360.58, 3350 and 3340. Till here it has got very strong support levels, and once the price slides below 3340, we can expect a stronger move on the downside. Notice for the last multiple sessions, you can see gold is trading in this zone, and every time it is delivering lower highs and trying to take a dip. However, higher lows are also seen here. So This is clearly a consolidation zone, and gold has to come out of this zone in order to confirm the direction. Stochastic was overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD has retraced, waiting for a convergence and a crossover here, and the RSI has dropped as well. So now, considering this, before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch, which starts on 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you're looking for a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now for the day, it is pretty important for gold to trade beyond 3400, 3410, 12 zone in order to confirm a breakout on the upside. Else what could happen? A possible drop cannot be denied. So now today, if you see gold trading beyond 3385, you can take a buy. Expect 3390.92 as the first target zone. Beyond 3390.92, we can expect it to move towards close to 3400 levels. And if at all it trades beyond 3400, that's a sign of possible reversal where 3410, 3412 should be the first target zone, 3422 should be the next. 3422.24 should be a crucial resistance here. Beyond this, 3440 should be seen. Now, I do not expect such a stronger rise in gold prices, and hence let's focus on the downside. Now, if you see gold trading below 33.68, you can take a sell for 33.60.58, 33.50.52. And if these two are taken, then 33.40 should be seen. Below 33.40, ideally, there should be a greater down move here. We should take the prices all the way towards 33.20 and 3300 levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts. See, it has found the resistance here 38.40, 38.50. We have seen a struggle here at around this zone. It is now trying to take a dip. But most importantly, it has to now trade below 37.80. Only a drop below 37.80 will confirm the downside, the bearishness here. As long as this zone 38, 37.80 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells here. Notice the upside resistance is pretty strong. It is right now looking downwards, and I'll say you have to wait for it to stay below 37.80 in order to confirm the bearishness here. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. Look at 2-hour charts. What has happened on the 2-hour charts? 20 period was offering it a very good, and today, after a while now, prices are seen trading below 20 period moving average. Now see what's happening. After this reversal sign, we have seen couple of bearish candles, and current one is a swing one. So possibly when the next candle starts, prices might head lower. Head lower means towards 37.80. And thus I'll wait for it. If you see it, silver trading below 38, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 37.80 levels. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 3-hour, similar observation is seen on the 3-hour charts here. The resistance was pretty strong. It is trading lower. It is trading bearish. The moving averages have crossed over here, and these are trading bullish as of now. But once it breaches lower, we can again see prices breaking down, because see, once 37.80 is taken, we will see moving averages convergent again, and then we can see again a bearish move here on the downside. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD, if you look at it, has retraced. It has crossed over, trading with divergence, suggestive of more bearishness ahead. RSI has dropped as well. Look at 4-hour charts. What has happened on the 4-hour? See the resistance here, pretty strong. With this as resistance, price is trying to take a dip here. Now, it is pretty important for silver to breach this zone. This is a critical support zone for silver. Once it trades lower, more bearishness should follow. Notice, after this drop, we have seen a retracement, and now once it comes out of this zone, more bearishness should follow. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD, if you see after retracement crossing over for sell, the RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts here. See the double top here at 38.50 last week, and then since then it has started off the day on a bearish note. It is just trying to take the support from the 20 period, which is sitting close to 37.80, and once it trades below 37.80, certainly more bearishness should follow. Notice what has happened here. See, I do see this drop, retracement, drop, and a retracement. Now it might try to stay in a box here, and I think 38.50 is now going to be pretty difficult to break here on the upside. So possibility of a downside cannot be denied from the current levels. Yes, the stochastic slightly overbought, while the MACD is still bearish and the RSI flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend only buys should be considered. If you see now silver trading beyond 38.30 levels, if you see silver beyond 38.30, you can buy for 38.50 levels. And any point of time 38.50, 60 stay. Stay bullish for 38.85, 39.20, and then $40 zone very, very soon. On the downside, you can take a sell entry today. It's $38 levels. When you see the higher prices below 38, you can take a sell. However, this is going to be riskier as long as 37.80 is not taken. It is below 37.80 where we can expect bearishness to follow towards 37.50, 37.40 levels, and below 37.50, 37.40 it is going to be 37, 36.50 and 36 very, very soon, if not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.